Hello everyone, I am Jason. Today I will teach you how to make a pancake. First, we need some sugar, some salt, some flour, and some baking powder. Egg yolk, egg white, and some milk. We need a sieve, a wipe, and a scoop. Let's start. First, we need to sift some flour, a little bit of baking powder, a teaspoon of sugar, a little bit of salt. 然后你就把它倒进去。And then we will add some milk and egg yolk. We will mix them. 就直接这样搅。扶着呀，你倒是。Next, we will add egg white. We will mix it again. Finally, we will cook it. First, we need to put the oil into the pan. Then we turn on the fire. 那不行，我帮你。We use the scoop to put the paste into the pan. Wait for it. And then we flip the pancake. Whoa. Finally, the pancake is done. We can enjoy it. Now we can enjoy the pan. 你也不看镜头的。Yummy.